Hey guys, welcome you once again in our channel Tech Tutorial, and today we are gonna talk about top 5 secret settings in YouTube app which you definitely try to enhance your overall experience in YouTube. So let's get started with our today's video. So guys, for this let's first open the YouTube app, and here I'm gonna show you a trick. I think most of us has already know that what is a clickbaited thumbnail, right? I mean the thumbnail is of different thing, and when you open a video it's about a different thing. Means whatever is shown in the thumbnail, there is not a single part about those things in the video. So that is very much irritating for all of us. So today I am going to show you a trick by which, by just clicking on the thumbnail, you can just know what is inside that video. So for this, just first go to your account settings here, and then go to the settings, and after going to the settings, just click on this autoplay option, and here you can see autoplay on home. So here you can see by default it is Wi-Fi only, but what you have to do, just you have to do always on. Here you can see always on, and then if you come back to your home page, now you can see if I click on a thumbnail, here you can see the video had started playing, and if I click on this video, also click on the thumbnail, here you can see the video has started playing. So by this you are never gonna be fooled after seeing this trick in your phone, because this trick is really amazing. By just clicking on the thumbnail you can know what is inside that video. So that is all about our first trick. Now let's go to the second trick. So for the second trick, again go to the account setting, and here you can see the time watched option. This time watched option actually shows you how much YouTube you have been using till last 7 days, today, yesterday, daily average. Here you can find out how much YouTube you use. So here you can see today 18 minutes, yesterday I used for 42 minutes, and daily average I use YouTube as 56 minutes. And guys, if you are a parents, then this must be very much helpful trick for you, because how much time is your child spending on YouTube you can know by this trick. And if your child is spending much more time in YouTube, you can easily track them and say him or her that please don't use that time. And if you are also addicted to YouTube, you can check that time by this trick, and just spend your time on to other things so that you don't be addicted to the YouTube. So yeah, that is the second setting I was talking about in the YouTube. Okay, so now let's go to the third trick. So for the third trick, again go to your account settings, and here you can see in the settings option, here you can see a notification option. Here you can see the note, it is off. Here you can see the scheduled digest. In the scheduled digest option, by default it is off. Now if you click on this on and tap on this button, it is very much irritating that whenever you are in office or in school or college, notification in YouTube app comes a lot, and whenever you connect your mobile internet or Wi-Fi, all notifications comes, and it is very much irritating and disturbing. So for this you can use this settings. Just set your time 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. whenever you come back from your office or from your school or college, only then all the notifications will come, and the rest of the time there will be no notification at all in the YouTube app. So this is also very much important settings you can see in the YouTube app. So that was all about the third app in our list. Now let's go to the fourth setting of the YouTube app. Fourth setting is also very much important and interesting. If you go to your trending page, here you can see these are the trending number 1, trending number 2 videos in the YouTube, in the YouTube India right now. But and sometimes a question may be arrive in your mind that what is trending in USA, or what is trending in England or Pakistan or any other countries. So there is a way by which you can find out which videos are trending on USA or UK by this YouTube app. So for this, just click on this account settings again, and just go to the settings, and in the general option just click on this, and after, here you can see the location option. Here you can see by default it is India, because obviously you are surfing YouTube from India, so by default it is India. Now if you want to know what is trending on USA, just click on this United States option and click on this done. For this you don't need any other settings or any VPN app or nothing else. Just go to your trending page, and here you can see these songs, or you can see that these videos are trending on the YouTube in the America. USA, America, these videos are trending number 1, number 2, number 3, and the homepage will be stay remain as will be there in the home section, but in the trending option here you can see the USA. Again go to your settings, and if you change this location setting by like any other state like United Arab Emirates, okay, so UAE, we want to see which videos are trending right now. So you can see these videos are also trending in the UAE. These videos are trending in United Arab Emirates, and by this you can easily track all of the countries in the world which videos are trending right now on those countries. So yeah, that is all about our fourth trick. So now for the fifth trick, again go to your account, and sometimes we search in the YouTube have some secret things or that type of things which should not be searched, and you don't want that your parents should be informed about all of this. So for this YouTube provides us this turn on incognito mode. If you turn on incognito mode, here you can see the all the history and the search options are gone, and whatever you search in this, like if I search for videos, songs, okay, and then search on this, then here you can see the video songs are come. And now if you search any of these videos, for suppose I am surfing this video, okay, so if I play this video, now if I go to my account option, here you can see there is no option of settings or any other things, because my incognito mode was on and my history was not recorded. So yeah, that was all about our 5 settings in the YouTube app. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that red subscribe button and like button in our video, and please comment down below whatever do you think about this video and about this channel. And yeah, so that is all about today. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and have a nice day.